We live in unprecedented times. The rise of a global pandemic has caused us to re-examine our way of doing business and embrace the new normal. In the FIMM 2021 Investment Management Survey, we take a quick retrospective look into the Malaysia UTS and PRS industry and how much it has progressed in the past decade. We also asked the industry's top leaders on their biggest challenges, trends and developments to look forward to in the coming years. In 2020, the industry has grown steadily since 2010, with a growing investor base with 12 million customers or accounts that has increased 5 times, and youth investors increasing by 8 times. We also see that the industry has embraced the digital shift by accelerating digitalization efforts to ensure that business and operations run as usual and to keep pace with investors' needs. In 2020, 1/3 of distributors have digitized their service proposition, and 9.2 million customers have online access compared to 331,000 in 2010. Despite the unprecedented conditions in 2020, the net asset value for the UTS and PRS industry increased by 7% and 36% respectively compared to 2019. The continuous efforts in digital acceleration and overall management support worked to the industry's advantage. More than half of the respondents were already aware of the importance of digitalizing their overall operations before the pandemic began in the first quarter of 2020. This has led to the industry being better prepared in the following areas: in ensuring the back office or support team's performance level, in providing IT support for work-from-home arrangements, and in allowing flexibility in working arrangements to ensure appropriate resource arrangement. Adoption of SRI or ESG is growing, with 60% of respondents currently integrate ESG principles into their investment and or distribution approach, with another 24% expected to do so within the next 2 years. Further, the industry is receptive towards the developments in the SRI or ESG space, where between 67% and 79% of respondents welcomed various regulatory efforts that will assist to address their concerns in the lack of standards, benchmark, or data for SRI or ESG investments. UTS and PRS industry should consider taking a proactive approach to ensure that the industry's interests and concerns are addressed in the SRI or ESG related guidance, such as SRI or ESG taxonomy and reporting standards, to be issued or adopted by the Securities Commission. In this survey, we also listened to our members' feedback on what FIMM can do for the industry. Among the top priorities that were suggested to FIMM to continue its efforts are upskilling consultants, streamlining and consolidating the registration process for UTS and PRS consultants, and conducting thought leadership activities and developing standards or best practices for marketing and distribution activities. We will be incorporating these suggestions, and we look forward to more collaboration with our members.